Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the standalone SMARTree Reader. It is an app that can be downloaded from our GitLab site and basically allows users who do not have the SMARTree editor, the SMARTree client which you see here, available to you. So in the editor you have the option of course dragging and building and making your own trees and sharing those trees. But if you just want to look at the trees, normally these trees are difficult to read because they are in XML. And so if you really just wanted to see the data, the need was there for people to just simply download a very small footprint app for people to look at the trees. So that's what this is right here. So this is the SMARTree Reader. And as I said, you can download this as a separate app. So when you run the software, there's very few buttons because it's just a reader. And I'll just show you how it works. So there's an open button here. And you can pick any of the SMARTrees or XML files and load them in here, and you'll see this particular set of data. So I'll just open up a couple of basic trees that we have in here under our templates. Maybe you want to load some of our tutorials, maybe some basic elements. So we can click that here. So this is what it looks like. You can't do much to the tree. You can just extract the data by, you can right-click and copy and paste the data into a third-party application. And you can also look at the details here. If you click on the details button, it shows you all the additional information about this data. Click on that here as well. And the same few buttons are basically up here. So that's the SMARTree Reader, available from our GitLab site. You'll see it on the main page. And yeah, and you'll also see it at the bottom of this video. So if you want to just open SMARTrees and have a look around at these trees and their data, you can download this app, this standalone app, and it's completely free. So thanks.